Hi, my name is Ishla.
And I'm Peter, and we're from Secret Harbour near Perth, and we own the Retreat ERV 24 foot. Yeah, we travelled down from Karratha at the time we were living there, went to the November caravan camping show here in Perth, caught up with Tilly, didn't know who he was at the time, sold us our dream, which was the king bed, the ability to have a king bed in this layout, the Ausex Corp battery system, and yeah, we managed to get 3-4 floor plans into the one caravan, which worked for us. For about 2.5 years, travelled 55,000 k's in it. In that period, we were looking for something a bit more comfort, better battery system to suit our needs, and Tilly made it work for us, so it was great. Club lounge was key on this van, 2 air conditioners, one in the bedroom and one in the under the lounge. Battery system was a standout for us, especially when we travel against what everyone else does. We go north in the summer and we go south in the winter. We got the 2 important little friends of ours. We've got Ebony on my lap and we've got Indy sitting beside us, French Bulldogs, one's 5 and one's 3. Well, this one we got after I had a stroke. So she was my first dog after that point, so she spent a fair bit of time with me. Every year we do a 4-week lap of Australia, we go to see our kids on the other side of the country, so it's normally go over the top through Northern Territory, down through central Queensland to our son in Toowoomba, and then drop down to see our other son who was in South Australia. Now they've moved, so we'll find a new route, which will probably be through the south coast, back up to Canberra, and into Sydney to see one son, and then back over here. Obviously looking at all the locks are all closed down. I check the tyres, the suspension, making sure they're correct. Number one is we've got to have good coffee. So we've got the Breville coffee machine, so we've got that every morning. Before first thing in the morning that goes on. We make sure we bring our coffee that we know from the right roaster. Made a cupboard with a slide out drawer so I can put the coffee machine away when we travel. Yeah, we don't normally stay in a place more than 2 days.
Yeah. So it's normally never unhooked.
Like we do Australia in 4 weeks, so it's if there's something we want to see on the way, yeah, we'll pull up. Otherwise, it's just pull up in a gravel pit overnight, keep going, spend the time with our children and grandkids, and then to the next one, and then power back to get back to work.
Find what items you can't do without. Pick the items you can't do without, find your budget, and then research. Check everything, all the manufacturers. I did almost a year's worth of research to find the zone, because we were looking for something that was as lightweight tier as possible. Yeah, and for me, it's making sure you've got your comfort. That was important for me, and the power system to support what you want to do. Yeah. If you want to be off-grid, you don't want to be plugging into power all the time, obviously. So it's water storage, power system, and away you go. Hence why we've got what we've got.